In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly check your Twilio account balance so you always know how much credit you have left. If this helps you, make sure to like the video for more Twilio tutorials. Start by logging into your Twilio account. Open your browser and go to console.twilio.com. Enter your login details, and once you're signed in, you will arrive on your main Twilio dashboard. Right here on the dashboard, look for a section called Project Info or Account Info. This is where Twilio highlights important account details, including your current balance. It will show up clearly, for example, balance $10.45, meaning that's the amount of credit you have available for calls, SMS, and other Twilio services. If you're finding this guide helpful, pause for a second and hit that subscribe button so you never miss future updates. The best part is that you don't need to dig through settings or menus. Your balance is right in front of you as soon as you log in. Checking it regularly helps you stay on track with costs and prevent service interruptions, especially if you're running active communication workflows. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to look anytime you want to monitor your Twilio credit. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you'd like a tutorial on adding balance or enabling auto recharge. See you in the next one.